grave I lay when in falleth lowy, and day draweth off from field and tree. My soul standeth where no sound doth go, laid bare before what is and shall be. I bring no song well set nor gay, no strength of word nor ready handed, only my heart left in ye way before ye work of God its commanded. Yea, world groweth still and passeth by, yea, noise loseth fast his hold on me. In lengthened shade I learn thereby how frail my trust hath ever been. Yet here thy mercy draweth near, not loud nor clad in shining flame, but soft as dew that falleth clear ere morning knoweth light or name. O Lord, whose seeing need no sight, whose hearing waketh when tongues are done, thy truth standeth both day and night, when all are running and hath wonner. I stand even armed before thy face, no plea but this, that thou art just. Break down, ye pride that hideth grace, and shape my will from earthly dust. Teach me to abide where answers cease, to stay where proof is yet unseen. For faith is born not out of ease, but where ye heart is held between. If thou art near, then near I dwell, though comfort fade and sense grow dim. Better thy dark than light I sell, better thy pause than hasting heed.
What root is laid in quiet moulder doth rise more sure than vows outspoken. Ye cedar then seen in dark made bold, shall break ye ground though earth be broken. So let this grave I mark my way, when louder paths will draw mine eye. For what is formed where sound doth stay, endureth when all songs pass by.
truth remaineth when sound hath died, and prayer